morning, guys. Nice quick swim. Sun's just hiding behind the clouds. In for a quick breakfast. And then we waiting for our pickup to go to Nusa Penida. Woohoo! Sickness, here we come!
The only thing that makes one island better than another island is the size. The smaller the island, the better the island.
Well, we hope. It can only be but less chaotic than this space we're in right now. First, breakfast.
Yes!
Alright, let's
Coffee.
do it. Okay, coffee. Yes, coffee. That's my coffee, sorry.
I thought that was fine.
Nothing like a bit of nasi goreng. Well, actually, it's fried rice with an egg and some crackers for breakfast. And he's just having
Well, it doesn't look very exciting.
slightly
It's
less
very good though.
exciting.
It's a very good omelette.
Very good omelette. But hey, this is as good as it gets for this morning. Okay, on our way. We're packed up, checked out, 9:30. A little bit earlier than we thought, but we are on our way.
We're a little bit cozy. You can't see Jason. Made it.
That was a little bit wet. Wetter than expected.
We're on the boat.
But
We had
we're
to
on the
almost
boat.
swim to the boat, but we're on the boat.
Yeah, I saw some suitcases being loaded. Check it out. Guys work hard. Made it! This looks like it's gonna burn the shit out of me. Oh my god. Holy That's a very local market here in little town. I don't know exactly what part of Nusa Penida is close to the harbour. But we got some bananas.
Fruit,
Yeah.
bananas, and some sweet snacks.
And we don't know what that is. Looks like pretzels.
Looks like deep fried dough.
Yeah. We're gonna look around a little bit more. Maybe we see something else.
But at least we got bananas.
Yeah, probably. May I have a pisang goreng, please?
Pisang for you.
Pisang goreng. We just dropped our bags with our the dive resort here, Penida Dive Resort, and just explored the little village here. Now the sun's about to set. Sunset's super early. It's 6:15 apparently.
Yeah.
Tomorrow morning, first thing we're gonna head out for a dive. And hopefully the conditions are gonna be good. We'll see how it goes. But we're gonna watch sunset at least,
Yes.
and hopefully find some food.
It's quite awesome here. The tide varies quite a lot. So when the tide drops to low tide here, you can see all these little reefs that come out.
Beautiful, eh? Not exactly where we are. It's not exactly good for swimming, but I'm sure we'll go explore and find a few beaches soon.
But it's
If
quite
not-
beautiful. Take a look at the sunset.
Yeah, look at this. Whoop. Nice.
Really pretty.
Sunset done and dusted. We're at a local place called Warung Coconut. No, it's actually called Maru.
No, it's called Warung Coconut. If you look on Google Maps,
Yeah.
it's Warung Coconut. And then they have the most delicious, it's buffet style.
Yeah, it's interesting. They do buffet style food, so you grab a plate, you can help yourself with some rice, and then a whole range of vegetables. And vegetables are like 5,000 rupee per portion. And then you can grab some meat or fish, and it ranges between 20 and 30,000. Which is quite pricey, but if you like the vegetarian options, you can make quite a super nice meal. Yeah.
My plate is 25,000 rupiah. And I've got some vegetable fritter, bean fritter,
curd fritter,
corn fritter,
fritters,
some noodles,
noodles.
and this is called...
It's like a,
it's a nice green with tofu.
it's like Chinese cabbage with tofu. Yeah. And that's costs like 25,000 rupiah. Yeah, very nice. We might come back. Come back. This is it for us tonight. So as always, thanks for watching, and
Give us a like.
we'll see you next time.
Cheers.